Hello again. It's another one of these absolutely soaking wet days. Raining, rotten weather. So I'm going to get out and make a bit of a video like I always do. Don't want to break the streak. But at the same time, I'm really not going very far today. And I don't have backup content for today. So it's not going to be a long one. That said though, I've got some lovely then and nows. Let's crack on down the station. Right, now hopefully some of you will remember this picture that I've showed you before. Taken from about here, looking down, to show the old broad gauge. I'll put the date on the picture. Now you have seen it before, but that's not really my point. So what is the point? Well, I think when I saw it, I was just looking at the tracks. But I think it was Big Bad Trev, one of my subscribers, said to me in the comments, said, "Oh, nice to see the Timber railway station." I said, "Was it? I didn't even notice, to be fair." But yeah, see, that was the Timber Railway. So I dug around and I found another couple of pictures of the Timber Railway station, which we're going to have a look at now. Right, you see the top of the Catholic church there, as seen from down on this platform below the bridge that we just looked over. Let's just step back a little bit and get a similar shot, which you'll see that church in. Again, here we go. And here we go again with the broad gauge. This is where they're ripping it up. Take it roughly here, but again, you've got the Timber station. Here you go. So that was 3 then and nows, all to do with the station, all nice and quick. Lovely. And here's the first train of the little batch that comes in. And off he goes. Good to see all the ramps lined up, ready for use if needed. Excellent. And there's 3 more on the opposite side of the station. 4 actually. Look, there's one there hiding just out of shot. Lovely. Crossed over to the other side now. Platform 2. There we are, it's still raining out here at the back. What was the goods yard once, many moons ago. Right, let's get back in the dry. Well, I'm going to head back over now because I'll flash it up in a second. I looked on real-time trains, so it's a bit quiet for my glut of trains that come in. And 5 of them, I think 5 of them have been cancelled for some reason. The big ones that come through fast. So that's a shame. Anyway, hopefully you've just seen that on the screen. It's a screen grab from my phone as I've done it down the station. I'll have that in the edit. Yes, so a lot of cancellations today. Oh dear. That's thwarted my plans, didn't it? So one last look at the water coming from the above the bridge, and we'll head up to Lidls for some milk, I think. Yes, a lot of cancellations for some reason. I've no idea what that's about, but I thought it was quiet, and it was. Anyway, just going to get myself some milk at Lidls, and I'll be honest with you, I'm going to head back home. Little point in staying out, but on the bright side though, on the bright side, according to the weather forecast, there's a better than 50 to 60% chance I'll be getting to Shaldon tomorrow. So if all lines up, we'll have a longer video tomorrow in Shaldon. Oh yes, avoiding some really big puddles as I make my way across here. There we go, not even much traffic today. Temporary traffic lights are not here at the moment. Bonus. And there we go, coming to an end now. Pretty much back where I started, by the station. So sorry for not a very long video today, but it's just as it happened. Let's quickly scan back over those then and now pics, flash them up for one last time. Got mum some daffodils at Lidls. She said to me, when you see some daffs, get me some daffs. I would like to see some daffs in the house. I said, I'll pick up a spray point, don't worry. She said, don't you dare. So I've gone to Lidls instead. Well, anyway, that's it really for today. Hopefully tomorrow I will be in Shaldon, hopefully. If not, I won't be, but that's my plans anyway, weather permitting. So hopefully see you tomorrow for a bit more of an exciting and longer video. All right, take care. Bye-bye. Bye.